everyone, I am super excited to bring you this video. I have 3 special polishes that I had Bases Loaded Lacquer create for me. They are available for you to purchase, and I have a discount code if you're interested. They are perfect for Valentine's Day. In case you haven't heard of Bases Loaded Lacquer, they are an indie brand. I do suggest that you check out their Facebook page, join it. There you get a lot of information about her new polishes that are coming up, sometimes special polishes. These actually were pictured a couple of days ago, so they'll give you a heads up on when things are coming up. Bases Loaded Lacquer is owned and the polish is created by Tara. Tara did an awesome job at capturing exactly what I wanted in these polishes. She really is awesome, and they do custom polishes, so if any of you are interested in having your own polishes made, that might be an option for you. I will link everything in the description box, links to her website, the polish names again, her Facebook group, in case you're interested in all of that information. We've got, this one is Party Time, Love Potion, and Pinkalicious. I got to name them all. And I also chose the size glitters that I wanted because my nails are kind of small, and depending on if they're a little bit longer or a little bit shorter, I wanted to make sure that the glitters size was perfect for my fingernails. And they are, and I love them. So let's take a look. I swatched these all out for you, so let's take a look at them. Let's get started. Here is called Party Time, and it is a white crelly with teal and pink squares and gold shards. This one I had sitting upside down for a bit so that the glitter would come to the surface. With crellies, you kind of want to do that because the glitter is usually heavier than the polish and sinks down to the bottom. This is the first coat, and it is supposed to be sheer so that the glitter peeks through. Okay, here is the second coat. I'm thinking that this one is going to need 3 coats, because white usually does, but the glitters are piling up nicely. And here is the third coat. So I think it's okay in 3 coats. If you wanted something like this to be more opaque sooner, you can always put like a white polish on first and then build it up in a couple more coats. This is 3 coats with a top coat. And this one is called Love Potion, and it's kind of a beautiful strawberry ice cream or soda pink, and it has white squares and circle glitters and pink circle glitters and little teeny red micro glitters. Let's take a peek at this. This one has been sitting upside down just like the others, and I wanted the red micro glitters to give it kind of a speckled look. Here is the second coat. And this one is actually really good in 2 coats. This is 2 coats with top coat. This one is called Pinkalicious. Pinkalicious is my granddaughter's favorite color. That's what she says her favorite color is, Pinkalicious. It's so adorable. This one has different size light pink glitters and bright pink glitters in a clear base. So this is a topper to be used over another color. I have a black polish on as my base for Pinkalicious, and this one is actually Game Over by Base's Loaded Lacquer. It's an old polish. She doesn't sell it anymore, but the formula is amazing, and this happens to be one of my favorite blacks. Okay, and here is one coat of Pinkalicious. This is one coat of Pinkalicious, and I put on a top coat. I love how this turned out. They're all amazing, but this one I really love. When I mentioned that I put the polishes upside down in a upside down before I use them, so that the glitter can slide down to the top of the polish, I use this little, it's a little measuring cup I got for like $1 at Walmart. It works perfect. And I put these in here while I'm putting on my base coat, and then after my base coat is dry, I take it out, shake it off, and then when I'm done putting on the first coat, I put it back in like that. It seems to work out perfect. So I wanted to give my thoughts on these polishes. The formulas are amazing. The glitters are perfect. And bonus, these are glitter polishes and they are easy to remove. I don't know how that happened. Normally these aren't, but maybe the size of the glitters had something to do with it. I'm not really sure, but they were easy to remove. There was no scrubbing or soaking any of these polishes off. I just removed them like I would any normal polish. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.